Guys, we are ready. Jailbreak completed. Okay, we are in. The sources are loading. You can see. I hope. What's up, guys? It's your boy DJ AR, and today's video I'm gonna teach you how to jailbreak your iPhone. It could be anyone, like 6 to X, कोई भी हो सकता है iPhone. उसको jailbreak कैसे करना, कोई लैपटॉप वगैरह PC VC की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है guys. मतलब फेंको नहीं कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. Okay, let's get into it. I'm not gonna waste your time. Like and subscribe to my channel. Let's get into it. Description में जो link है उसको दबाओ. You gotta click the link which is in the description, then click on this and it's gonna open ad बहुत open होगी, तो कुछ इस तरीके से हो जाएगा. It's gonna look like this. Press get and it's gonna come, it's gonna pop like this, and click install, and look, it's installing. Okay, I'm gonna come back when it's done. Alright guys, it's installing. We are near. Okay, it's installed. So first of all, you will need to go to the setting first of all and go to general, profile and management, this trust. Done. You're done, guys. Open the uncover. Boom, jailbreak the phone, guys. Yes guys, now you can jailbreak your phone, and after this process completes, it's gonna tell you to reboot. Okay guys, it's gonna tell you to reboot, and then after the reboot, you have to do this again and it's done. Yes, completely. Okay, so we're gonna wait until it's done. Alright guys, it's gonna boot, and आप लोगों को jailbreak फिर से run करना है. Yes guys, you have to do it again to give it a proper jailbreak, properly done. Yes, boom. Boom guys, we are ready. Jailbreak completed. No error occurred. Now we can reboot and get the cydia. Boom guys, your phone is successfully jailbreaked. Open the cydia, and it's gonna take some time though. It's our first open. Okay, it's gonna open a home page. Okay, we are in. The sources are loading. You can see. I hope you can read though. iOS 12.4.8, and that's mine, cydia 64-bit, and all of your sources guys, you can edit and add the sources. Okay guys, and if you restart the phone, the jailbreak is gonna go. Okay guys, done. Boom. Thank me but while subscribing to my channel and liking the video. I have to plug the cable because it's not enough charge. So boom guys, it's 2020. I can see the date is 2020 30 August. We have successfully jailbreak the device. So guys, it's gonna tell you to upgrade. You guys can upgrade, or if you don't want to upgrade, you can tap ignore temporary. Yep. Okay guys, you guys good to go. Bye bye, peace out.